We have been covering the Himalayan series, reflecting on our trip to Satopant. The Himalayan mountain is at the top of India. If you look at the Indian map, it looks like a person standing with two hands across, two ends. One side is Gujarat side, another is Assam, Bengal side, two hands, and the bottom Kanyakumari, that part looks like a feet. And the top part is Jammu Kashmir, it looks like a head. And Himalaya is covering on the top, it is like a crown of India. It is like the crown on the head of India. It is a Himalaya. Himalaya is protecting the country from external aggressions. It's nourishing India. It's a community with the flora, fauna, and medicinal herbs, and nourishing about 1.5 billion people in 7 countries through the water stream. What it is talking about, Himalaya, you also become magnanimous, live a majestic life, be of value to others, so that you will be crowned in your lives. Everyone wants to be crowned, but without why the people wants to crown, because when they see that person is of value. When we are also of value, then we will be crowned. And in the supermarkets, food stores, we get what is called as Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt, it is part of everyone's kitchen also. The Himalayan salt, the essence has gone from the ocean. From the ocean, it has taken the essence of ocean to its peak. The Himalayan, that salt has gone from the ocean through the country. So, Himalayan message is there in every bit of India. Every speck of India has the message of the essence of India, has the essence of Himalaya. Himalaya is not in India, but India is in Himalaya. That Himalaya, what Himalaya is talking about, rise up to my level, not to expect me to come down to your level. Himalaya is talking about rise up to my level. The essence, that Himalaya, that it has gone, the essence of India is there. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagadavyakta murtina. In the Sri Krishna mastani sarvabhutani nachaham teshva vastitaham. Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita talks about everyone is in me, I am not there. That message is, we have to aspire to become like Himalaya, not Himalaya to stoop down to our level. That is what Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna tried to convey in Bhagavad Gita. And the next one, when we went to the Satopant area, Satopant, we saw countless colors of the flowers, like Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers, countless. This violet, indigo, the blue, green, violet, this yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, red, all the 7 colors of the prism, that type of flowers we saw. The color of the flower we are seeing, it is nothing but the color rejected by the flower. Out of 7, the colors, flower absorbed 6 colors, 1 rejected. rejected color. What we seeing, it's a rejected color. So flowers are conveying the message. When you are rejecting, we reject what is not required. What is not required we throw, but flowers are saying, give out, reject of what is the best. We want to give out only what is not required. Flowers are saying, absorb what is not essential for yourself. Give out the best. It is talking about in the Samudra Mathana, when the poison came, Shiva partook the poison and to give happiness to the world. He became a Nilakanta, you become like a Nilakanta. You absorb what is not conducive, try to have it, but when it comes to giving, give out the best. Give out the best, Satopant, it was talking about, and the lesson also when we went there to Venkateshachar in the place near the Alakapuri Alakananda was originating. I asked him to do the Arghya there. He asked why special. I said this river, it is going to travel thousands of miles. Do it at the source. Do it, whatever Arghya, whatever good you are doing, do it at the source. If you do it near Ganga Sagar, just about to reach the ocean, it is of not much of value. Do it at the source so that countless people will get benefit. Whatever you are doing, start doing right from the childhood. Not to start doing at the age of 70. I start practicing. You can't see the fruit of your action when you start doing right from the early age. Things you can see the results also, it will have immense benefit for others. Not to wait till the fag end, and also the higher up. In a company, the leader should, owner should lead by example. If the country president should lead by example. If Trump himself is like all over the place, what motivation he can give it to the young generation? The children, what aspiration? My leader himself is like this. They start losing the focus. It is talking about do it at the top, at the origin. When the king is good, the subjects also will have aspiration to lead a life. Yadyada charati shrestha tattad deva itaro janaham yat pramanam sayat pramanam kurute lokas tadanu vartate. People will imitate whoever the country head or parents or somebody is doing. What it is talking about, whatever you want to do it, right from the big, you do it from the highest level. Highest level, what that message also I conveyed, this head requires, first enable this one. I am doing a good, doing alone is not enough, start from here. When you start good thinking, then your manifestation is good, it will have a greater benefit. The immense, the message from Himalaya is so profound, it enables us to enrich the life. Himalaya is it is a teacher and mirror of India and soul of India. Soul of India, the message, every step of Himalaya is conveying the message. Next week I will talk about the next message from the Himalayan series. Bring your...